Yaki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Karat Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organisation hakar penyotrik nailur arajar apusan. Kelapan kuburam yaki sauspa sapu sangut ki Samla Pule ki besyong masa hapo purusam jangka saut Shlong constituency ki belapas baha haki examin beper-per. Hakani kesni ka organisation kelas samru penyotli ki laptop ki Samla Pule ki bawan syakmat haki arpapratli kadan kintup yaki Samla ki bawan negi Longïing ki bekamduna ke yokon. Yaki kusnam bagi laptop lasam bersembut mendirang ba ke jela ubah preston tensong ublalong kumukongsan umenji keteran arts and culture ba sambo Shulai ubadeiru MLA ke South Shlong constituency ringkat ke jeng sakhilang jong ki principal kirong hikai bagi bahing SM jeng ki Samla Pule.
Initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the President, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South constituency. I just asked Baksanbo, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examinations that we have annually? And he said, Song, the trend is very good, very positive. It keeps increasing. 444 students is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituencies. I don't know my constituency how many hundreds we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps. And if 60 constituencies into by 444, I think you are all experts in calculation. You do it. Within 5 years' time, I think our literacy rate should have been 100%. But I think you are all aware that the literacy rate that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 91, 92% we have. And our target, by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Baksanbo Shulai for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. We have here all important dignitaries, I don't want to name, including the traditional heads, the Rlss&Co. My only message for today's function is, let us, all of us, take the responsibility of building up a better Meghalaya. Let us build up a better Meghalaya. Some people say, if anything unfortunate incident happened, people used to say, it's government failure. They know only to pinpoint the government. Preston Song is useless home minister. The criminal activities keep increasing in Shillong. But let me tell you one thing. I would like to place it on record. Our police force did a tremendous job. We keep doing that and we try to do the best. But my sharing with all of you is, let us, all of us, share the responsibility. Few incidents happened, I think within 1 month or maybe 2 months back. There were incidents which ultimately we said, it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of investigation, we found out that it was fake. It's very unfortunate, it was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father, it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children. Being a parent, we need to take this responsibility, and we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others. My young children, as rightly mentioned by the Secretary of Education, I would also like to add, those toppers, meritorious students, it is the start of your journey. It is just the beginning of your journey, and your career lies on you. One day, one of you, you'll have to take a lead in running the government. Not that Preston Samla will continue for 30, 40, 50 years, not at all. But you are the one to take over. You have to take over. And before taking over, you have to be fully equipped yourself. And once that is done, Meghalaya will further shine in the next generation, maybe in the 22nd century. We will see that Meghalaya is one of the best states in the country.
Each and everyone to serve the state, our beloved state Meghalaya. So thanks so much, sir. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our beloved, respected principal, vice principal, student, teachers of various institutions who are present here today, and also to all my friends, respected Rangbasionong, Sketchbasionong, and all members present here who are the leaders of traditional institutions, and also all the invitees, dignitaries, and the parents, the guardians, the relatives of all the awardees of today, and especially all the students who are the awardees, who will be receiving this award. Few categories, and there will be about 5 to 6 categories where laptop will be given to all the toppers of all the categories. That will be happen after the end of this award. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our friends from the electronic media and the printing press who have spared a little time to cover this program.
A huge round of applause for Baduk Kumari. Baduk Kumari, Arya Vidyalaya. Followed by Nazia Nongrum, Laban Asmi's girl.
Kafit hakalay ba't sa Rica October mintaos na Hoy, hoy, hoy Hakalay tarik Poren Henry ubaje janmiyet Unwante muba Bangkar kharkungoru Kay turba paunam hame galaya Hakaso tarik Por Henry ubaje janmiyet Kandon kajmiya ko Pyait mis Kevo maubati kat kiba kawashim Bentana kino kino ki jaka kastotir meghalaya Karta kandayna duwakat so usnemen shajaron Guy, clown, what, three, runner Kapito, kapika, kapit hakalay ba't sa Rica October mintaos na
Reels pa ya các tiên là dòng bên đâm cam ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi các tiên là dòng ai kan rồi kan pa
Ni don ki kan tien la jong balai pat ni puri bat penduk yala ka tien la jong kum kan nuksa ka kan tien barikor kamut arts ha ka tien phareng ka kan tien lari tipat kamut culture kumta ya ka arts and culture ni yo da ka tien khasi barikor bat lari ti ki balong ru ki kan tien ban ka teng kho barikor ka lari ti lapan mi da ka pati CTV naga menta ka jing mentoi upai ba